What's up? Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well amidst all the things that has been happening so far. Without further ado, let's proceed with this unboxing video. So, the first one I had was this gaming headset that I do have on my channel. So, it's the very first unboxing video that I have. It's the HP H150 headset that I'm still using ever since I got it. You know, that was a year ago, and I've been using it through all of the things that I am doing. So may it be at work, gaming, streaming, and even just listening to music. It didn't have any problem so far. It serves its purpose well, but I kind of figured I wanted to buy something a little bit more decent, so I figured why not invest in something better, but not too much, because in terms of economics, we still need to provide for the family and all. So what we have here on my hand is the GM 100 RedDragon. So this is a studio microphone kit. It's a condenser microphone with a 3.5 millimeter jack, and we're going to be doing its unboxing right now. Cue intro. So for this GM100 RedDragon microphone, I actually got it at roughly around 950 pesos plus shipping. The box it could have been, it has definitely seen better days, but I do hope that nothing inside was damaged. Aside from that, everything seems to be fine. It's sealed on both top and bottom here, although I tried to peek on top, so we'll be cutting the one at the bottom. So here's the box. It came with a very simple box. You can see the picture, somehow like a glossy kind of thing. It has its, what do you call this, where you make sabit. Wow, konyo. Tapos we have several instructions, different languages. We do have the things that are included. So we do have the mic, the pop filter, the stand, and it just says it's high compatibility. So it supports Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, 8, Windows 10. But I'm assuming anything that would have a 3.5 millimeter jack would work just fine. So yeah, as you can see, this is the model GM 100. So let's go ahead and do it. My trusty knife. Okay, ito na siya. Slide it out. So, as you can see, wala nang laman, walang magic dyan. Ito na siya. So, first off, we do have the instructions booklet, which I'll be going through later. So, I'm pretty sure may makikita ko ditong worth reading. We do have a RedDragon sticker, so thank you so much. Wow, I wonder where will I put it. So that's something good to have. So what's in the box? We do have, first off, the pop filter, para walang wind noise and all. We do have yung stand. Wow, okay. This is sturdy, although it's plastic. Plastic siya all around. Plastic talaga, hard plastic. This is nice. This is where you put in the pop filter, so we'll be assembling it later. But yeah, everything is hard plastic. The stand clicks into place, although ito na yun. Ito na yung height niya, ito na yung kung ano man. So yun na siya. And then, syempre yung binayaran mo is ito. Let's pick it up. The microphone itself. Let's put it here. So, first impression, build quality is nice. It's solid, Wala siyang kahit anong uwang, wala siyang screw na nakalabas or kung ano man. It's gearing towards a little bit heavy, which translates to its quality. So that's that. It has a long cord, so like I said, it's 3.5. So we'll be testing. Ano ba to? So yeah, it's 3.5, not gold plated though. I'm not sure if it's gold plated. So yeah, we'll be testing it out. I'm not sure if meron bang front or back though, but we'll definitely try it out. So hindi natin titignan yung manual. Siyempre, we're gonna wing it. We are going to wing it. So let's remove the RedDragon rubber band that it came with. So this is the RedDragon. Oh, fudge. Nalaglag. So yeah, this is the RedDragon rubber band that it came with. Yan lang natin dyan. And then, mahaba yung cord. Mahaba. So coming in from here, so you can see, wow. So if you're planning on putting it on your desktop, because nasa baba yung PC nyo or nasa taas or kung saan man, paano man yung pwesto nyo, I think this would do just fine. So don't hate me kung mali man yung pagkakalagay ko, but this is the thing that I think that it should go with. And then mukha naman siyang rectangle dito sa part na to. So okay. So yun, medyo rubber yung para siyang elastic band dito sa gilid. And I think that's the farthest way that it can go. Sakto naman siya. So yun, nakakabit na siya. And then kabit natin yung pop filter. It's just screws in. Not too tight kasi pop filter lang naman yan. And then tingnan natin yung picture kung paano ba natin siya gusto ilagay. So pag siya nakatayo, nakaharap siya doon. Okay. So gayahin natin si picture para advertised well. Okay, so it goes like that. And then the pop filter goes on the side. Oh, what's that cracking noise? And then I think it goes like that. Or kung saan man manggagaling yung bibig mo para walang hangin. And yeah, well, that's it. Ayos na siya, kakabit na lang. So I don't think that there should be any software na kailangan nito. We'll try it out first off dito sa cellphone kung it will work. So plug lang natin yung 3.5 dun sa cellphone ko. Alright, so hindi siya gumana sa cellphone ko. I don't know why, pero yun nga, hindi siya gumana sa cellphone. Disclaimer, not sure kung tama ba yung ginagawa ko. Pero upon checking, hindi siya nag-record ng... Ang kinukuha pa rin niya is yung mic nung cellphone. So, currently, nakakabit yung HP H150 dito sa laptop. So, that's what I'm currently doing right now. So, ito yun. So, tatanggalin natin siya kasi kakabit natin yung GM100 to test it out if it will work sa PC. So, tanggalin lang natin. So yan, ito yung mic ito yung tunog pag walang mic na kabit, walang headset, walang microphone. Tapos ito na, kakapit na natin siya. And we just selected mic in. So dapat naririnig nyo na ang boses ko through the RedDragon microphone. So let me know kung gaano kalayo, kung much better or parehas lang. Is it worth investing or worth spending your hard-earned money for this? I think it is, but I want to know your thoughts. So thank you so much, guys.